Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces water sign. This is May mid-month reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Pisces water sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Pisces, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Temperance with Queen of Cups. Right now you are waiting patiently for the right time and you are focusing on yourself. You want to restore the balance within yourself. Yes, you are balancing things in your life. And Queen of Cups, you have very strong emotions towards your person and you are very caring and sharing person, Pisces. So let's see your reading. Recent past, High Priestess, Knight of Pentacles and the Sun. From recent past, you started listening to your intuition, trusting your intuition. Your higher guides are with you. And Knight of Pentacles, someone want to coming back to you. For some, they already approached you. If not, they're going to be, because right now they are in very slow moving energy. And the Sun, I think children's also involved in this connection. And you are manifesting happiness into your life from recent past. You are focusing on yourself, especially happiness within yourself. Yes. Then present, Page of Swords, King of Pentacles and Five of Cups. There is spying is going. Maybe you are spying on your person. Maybe they are spying on you. You are feeling sad for something happening in your life. It could be a relationship or it could be a career. Definitely you are feeling sad. Five of Cups energy. And King of Pentacles. Maybe for some there is financial loss. For some you are in breakup with your person. But now you are concentrating on your career. Focusing on your money. For some, if you are in separation with your person, you want to concentrate on your career to forget that pain. Then future, Nine of Wands, the Devil and Chariot. Yes, you want to forget this pain and you started moving on from this pain. Yes, you are trying to forget this pain. Yes, you are in that process and you are guarded up but thinking about someone a lot. And maybe you are obsessed with someone or they are obsessed with you. Definitely there are some obsession. The devil energy is here and the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn or Cancer especially. Definitely there is obsession. You both are addicted to each other, Pisces. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer. So Pisces, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Four of Wands. So let's see their feelings. Okay, the Fool. Nine of Pentacles and Six of Swords with Queen of Cups. Yeah, this person has strong emotions towards you and your person is very independent financially and emotionally. For some, your person right now concentrating on their career also. And Six of Swords, there is some communication is coming to fix the things between both of you if you are in separation. And this could be long distance relationship, traveling involved in this connection. Yeah, definitely they want new beginnings with you if you are in separation. And They do love you because Queen of Cups. They have strong emotions towards you. So let's see their intentions. Pisces. Five of Swords. Eight of Swords. Star with Three of Cups with Nine of Cups. Pisces, they're wishing for this connection. If you are in separation with this person, they want reconciliation with you. They want reunion. For some third party situation also involved in this connection. What I'm getting here, there are a lot of disturbances between you and your person. For some family issues also involved. Your person really want to fix the things between both of you, but they are feeling stuck. They are unable to make any move towards you, to be honest with you. But they are wishing. Yes, they are wishing, they're praying. But for some, maybe they're manifesting, but they are not unable to make any move physically because they are stuck. Maybe they're scared for rejection. Maybe some situations will not cooperating them. Definitely they're wishing, they're praying, they want reconciliation, but they're feeling stuck because Eight of Swords energy. For some, they're scared, but they still hopes. They still have hopes on this connection because the Star. And the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, they do love you and they still have high hopes on this connection. Yeah, Six of Wands with Temperance. And the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius and the Devil. Definitely you both are obsessed with each other. Devil card came twice in this reading. This is obsession. You both are obsessed with each other and you also want success in this connection. Maybe you are also patiently waiting for the right time. You are focusing on yourself, restoring balance within yourself. Lot of obsession. You both are obsessed with each other. I think you are also missing them. This is, I think they want success in this connection. Sorry guys, this energy could be so Temperance. They are patiently waiting and it's you. This is your person and it's you. Yeah. So you are in very slow moving energy. You are missing them, but you are concentrating on your career. Yes, Eight of Pentacles energy. These two cards related to your person and these two is you. And now I will take mutual. So you are missing them but you are concentrating on your career. But they want success in this connection and they are patiently waiting for the right time. Eight of Swords. This connection is stuck. Mutual card. Right now you both are in no contact or separation. Definitely this connection is stuck. There is no movement, but you both are wishing for the same. You both want each other. But circumstances are not in your control. That's why you both are wishing, you both are praying. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Pisces. Holding back, free yourself, third party involved, age differences, twin flames and trust issues. Oh my god. So let's see the messages. Holding back, free yourself, third party involved, age differences and twin flames and trust issues. Definitely right now your person taking their time for some third party means family, friends, it could be anything, and age differences, free yourself and twin flames. For some you both are in twin flame journey. Under the deck a new start is coming. So let's see some more messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Pisces. It's time to take action. New moon in Aries and a time to give rather than take. New moon in Virgo. So if you want to take action, for some this is the message for you. It's time to take action, especially when new moon in Aries, and a time to give rather than take. So if you're a person always taking but not giving in return, this is the message for you, especially a time to give rather than take, new moon in Virgo. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.